Shalom, Moneymaker Tribe. I want to talk to you guys about AMC stocks. So we're going to try and do this kind of live stream and then put it up as a regular video at the end of the market. We'll see how this is going to flow. Let's get into it, guys. So before we begin, I just want to remind you that I am not a financial advisor, so you should always do your own due diligence before you decide to invest in a stock. So AMC had plus 3.56 today. Okay day for AMC. It was more than I anticipated, but there was a lot of great catalysts that came out in the morning for the stock market. The fact that President Biden and the president of China, Xi, decided to meet was big for AMC stock and the stock market in general. We saw all the Chinese stocks significantly going up. We saw NEO and BABA were up around 6-7%. So it was a great day for the Chinese stocks after a poor last few months. And for AMC, it was an okay day. Like I said, up 3.56%. Actually, you know what? That's a pretty good day for AMC. 3.56%. It's not the numbers that we were hoping for, but it's better than going down. Of course, you always want to have a green day and not a red day. So that was very good for AMC. It kind of looked like it was gonna dip a little bit on the open, but we had a nice recovery here. Broke through the resistance area, then touched the resistance. It was resistance, then it became support right after that. And it hits the upper view up here and then a consolidation. So this was a good day here for AMC, and hopefully we see a continuation here. We've seen green day, red day, green day right here, and we're still stuck in this 30 area. Hopefully tomorrow we can get some kind of breakout here, and I'm really waiting to see the MACD, the blue crossing the yellow, and really give us the stamp on the momentum change that we are having here for AMC, and then potentially we can go up into an area where we're going to have a lot more success here for AMC stock going forward. Now let's take a look at the Ortex number here. We're just going to refresh. Sometimes it updates during trading day. So currently we're at 2083 on the short interest of the free float. Utilization is up from 85 to 88, and the shares on loan is about the same. So as long as we're in this range here, we're not moving sideways. We're not moving, with basically consolidation. I don't think we're going to see huge difference here in the numbers, just because there's not a lot of meat here, nor for the short sellers to add to their positions or to close their positions, right? When you have consolidation, which is usually actually a good time to buy into a stock, because it's a lot less probability that you're going to buy in and then it's going to go up significantly, go down significantly, but when we have consolidation, usually people just stay on the sidelines, and you can see here that the volume 35, 37 is a pretty low volume here for AMC stock. So that's the current situation that we are seeing here. Adam Aron, the CEO of AMC, came out with a tweet this morning saying, "A big weekend coming for AMC theaters? Question mark, right? He's asking. He's not sure, but he's hoping. On Saturday, October 9th, AMC features the new fabulous James Bond movie, the second weekend of Venom, the Fury Wilder heavyweight boxing match, a very anticipated boxing match from Las Vegas, and the Metropolitan Opera live from New York City. That, my friends, is something for everyone." And really, it is something for everyone. Anything someone wants to get, they can go see at AMC theaters. So very, very interesting here for AMC in the next few days. It's going to be a week to remember here from AMC, from the company's standpoint of view. The stock, kind of boring, right? It hasn't moved significantly up, it hasn't moved significantly down, and so we've seen a lot of YouTubers in the AMC ecosystem, me too, I know I'm guilty of this as well, talking about Shiba Inu, and so listen, when AMC quote unquote is a little bit more boring, and there's we're still talking about AMC. I still make 2 or 3 videos a day about AMC, but when it gets a little bit boring for us as well, how many times can you talk about the same thing? But we're still talking about it because there's always news like this, the James Bond movie, the Venom movie, and this is great for AMC. Last week we had the whole Robin Hood Citadel, and this week it's kind of slow news. So a lot of people are moving to the Shiba Inu. It's just because it's the new shiny fancy thing that may go away in a few days or may be here to stay. We'll have to see. But because it's quote unquote the same ecosystem, the meme stock ecosystem, so you're seeing a lot of people move to that area as well. So that's something that it's okay, right? It's people are allowed to talk about other stuff if they want to, but I don't want people to stop talking about AMC. So that's important there. If we look at here at Stongo Tracker, we're probably going to see not a lot of movement here, a little bit, right? About 20,000 more in the money. But, the ratio here is still pretty to the heavy side on the out of the money contracts. Because we went up today 3%, we saw a little bit of a growth here in the money, also on the monthly contracts here. But for AMC, this is really, really low. And we're used to seeing maybe around 100,000 in the money contracts for AMC, but because of the consolidation, maybe because a lot of people have been seeing that they're losing a lot of money on these option contracts when AMC is going down or consolidating, so this time they just decided to sit on the sidelines. And you can see on the put side also there's not a lot of contracts being traded. We'll see going into the end of the year if there's going to be an uptick here for the January 2021. The 2022, sorry, there's a lot of contracts that were already bought here, a lot of them on the 145 area, if I remember correctly. Let's just pull it up 1 second. The 145, I think, right? January 21st. Yeah, the 145 has around 90,000 open interest. So there's a lot of people that are thinking that by January 2021, we're going to be in that area. It's currently interesting times for AMC. Why do I say it's interesting? Because nothing bad is happening. We're only getting good data that's coming out from AMC. From a standpoint of the fundamentals, we're getting a lot better. They're closing debt. There's great movies coming out. And these are all good things for AMC down the line. And I feel that once we have, sudden volume, or there's some catalyst, as something moves here, I think we're going to have a big movement. The next time we're going to have a movement, I think it's going to be a very big movement, but we're still waiting for it, and we have patience, and we're going to be here until it happens, guys. This is going to be a quick live stream or slash video, and if you haven't yet joined the Moneymaker tribe, subscribe, ring the bell. Don't forget to smash that like button. Check out the swag shop in the description down below, and also we have the Patreon. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time, and like I always say, let's make a lot of money.